Yo bro, in this video I want to show you how to make money with Pinterest. So my mother wrote is Pinterest. Pinterest is a rare app that's similar to Instagram where you can post clips, images and make money. You know how to monetize it. I'll explain in the video. You imagine yourself you make crazy money with Pinterest. You save your family from poverty, especially your mom that is tired of her job. How does that feel in your body? Doesn't it give you goosebumps? Your mom will hug you. Thank you, son. You saved life. I was about. I'm giving up. I'm tired of working. My body pain hurts. I can't wait for my pension. How does that feel like? How does it feel like, bro? So just follow my steps and take action at the end of the video. Then you won't have any problems. What I'm saying will be history. You'll be happy with yourself. Be proud of yourself. Everybody will be proud of you. So this app is called Pinterest. People post things, post content, they make money, they get views and all. It's underrated app. Competition, there are a lot of apps, that's why it's not that popular, but there's Instagram, there's YouTube, there's Quora, there's TikTok. The competition is too much, bro. So bro, don't you want to make stacks like this? Huh? Don't you want to make things like this? You want to tell me this guy, if he was doing a 9 to 5, will make this cash? Hmm? Let's be realistic. You want to tell me this is a 9 to 5 money? Job money? No. That's what I'm telling you. Listen to me. Listen to me, bro. Can't be driving a Porsche and be being a cleaner, a full-time cleaner. Can't be driving a Porsche and be a security officer. Can't be driving a Porsche and being a taxi driver. You can't be driving a Porsche and being a waiter. Put that into your dirty score, bro. Sorry, I'm being harsh, I'm being rude. So, bro, all you need is that I can take some clips from YouTube, TikTok, whatever. Screenshot it, screen record it, do whatever you want to do. Then you post it here, so you get the views. As simple as that. Post it, you monetize it, you want to monetize it, and post this, something like this. You can screen record it, screenshot it. You can go to Google, go to money. You see things in Google, things about money or whatever. You post it here. Then at the end, in the link on you leave to monetize it. You leave something in the link in your description. Maybe like this tab mob, this CPA marketing giveaway, $700 giveaway. Especially because this money relates with giveaways. Can relate to giveaways. So bro, it's brain, bro. You don't use your brain, life will use your brain and throw you in the bin, bro. So you understand? So yeah, they have giveaways, you know. I've told you about this app many times, no? Like, let me look for the giveaway. Let me show you an example. The tap over has giveaways. It has $700 giveaway. So, but there's any giveaway, PS5. Can also do PS5 giveaway, for example. When you download the app in tapmob.com, you see how to give different type of giveaways. You copy the link, paste it in this in in beneath the video or the image, whatever you want to do, then that is it. You see this one? Somebody screen record the or screenshot the video of Andrew Tate and posted it. As simple as that. Like, you guys don't need to stress yourself in this day and age. And but this is an example. If you're interested to go all in on Pinterest, you're good to you're set. You're set. Just take it seriously. The same in all social media platforms. They have the same stuff. Just be consistent and keep posting and all. That's it, bro. Put the link in my description if you need my help. You want to make $100 every day, and once you click the link, don't just be discouraged. Just take action. As for me, I'm out, bro. Free sauce. I'm giving free sauce just like that, bro. Look up.